So when I completed the dress, it was actually very big and it was super baggy. So let me just stretch it out. It was about that big, and it's, I would say that is like 8 inches from my waistline. So today I'm going to show you how to easily alter this baggy dress. First, I seam rip the sleeves, and then I am going to take it in from the sides. I started measuring from the sides by about 1 inch, and I am going to blend it to the skirt original side seam. As you can see here, I kind of taper it down, and then I am going to do the same thing on the other side seam. I started with 1 inch, and then I am going to try it on. I ended up adding 1/2 inch just because it was still a little too baggy. So all in all, I took in 1.5 inches on both side seams. I suggest that you do a basting stitch first, just in case you need to adjust the fit. Once you are happy with the fit, you can go ahead and sew it permanently. And then now I am going to trim off the excess fabrics just because we don't need that extra bulk on the side seams. I went ahead and serged the raw edges, but if you don't have a serger, you can just do a narrow zigzag stitch to secure the raw edge so it will not fray. After that, I gathered the sleeves so it will still fit in the armholes. And then I am going to sew it all the way around. I will repeat the same steps on the other sleeve, and I'm also going to serge the raw edges. As you can see, this dress alterations is super easy. The perfect candidate for the sewing project is a dress that has a zipper at the back and a front button closure, or even jersey dresses. As you can see, by gathering the sleeves, it still fit in the armholes and it still look really pretty. So this is what the final dress look like now. I am super satisfied and I get to wear this dress. So that's it, you guys, and thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this sewing project, be sure to give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notifications so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. I will see you next time. Bye!